The side discharge chute attaches to the side of your mower's cutting deck. It guides grass clippings out the mower's side door. The chute is easily installed or removed, so the mower can be quickly converted from side discharge to mulching or bagging. The chute can be damaged by hitting against obstacles around the lawn, or simply lost when it is removed from the mower. Installing the side discharge chute is easy to do, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The grass chute is simple to install to your mower. First, I'll lift the side door. Notice there's 2 tabs on the side door bracket. I'll align those tabs with the notches in the grass chute. And then I just simply lower the door. And that's how simple it is to install the side discharge chute on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.